Hi, I'm Klaus Andersen here with the trade of the day in the DAX on the 5-minute time frame. This is the open. We started up trading down, and then we traded up two measured moves. That was the first leg up, and this was the second leg up, measured move up. So we expected a pullback, approximately this size. What we got was a 1, 2, 3 push pattern, a wedge, and a failed continuation up right here. Also, that's a high. This is a double top, lower high down there. And taking into account that this is up, down, up scenario, probably a trading range, and the open here, down and up, a large down movement followed by a large up movement, often leads to confusion in the markets, which often leads to a trading range, more sideways trading. So when we failed to go higher there, I thought this was a good setup for reversal down. Initial target was a scalp down to this low right here. Second was this upper range, 100% expansion down here, and you had these lows down here as well for a target, and the major support area down there. Turns out if we went short below this bar, the trade took off pretty fast, and especially on this bar right here, you got a lot of profits if you took some profits near these lows down here. So if you kept the runners with the break-even stop, you were taken out over here. So when you had this nice bear bar that closed on the low, that's actually the first entry pullback. The second entry is technically in here. You had this bar right there, and then that's a huge sell bar for retest of this low down there, but it was followed by a nasty follow through bar here. It was a bull bar, and then we traded above this one. When we traded above this high right here, I would get out any shorts I was in. And if you got out your runners there, then that would have gotten you about 30 points on your runners more if you took profits down here. I think you could have gotten out at about 80 points if you got in on the very low of that bar. That's the trade of the day. Just quick run over pros. The double top here, and it was a lower high compared to that high right there. It's at a resistance area. It's in the top third of the trading range, and the signal bar was pretty sweet. Traded up first and down close near the lows right there. Cons, it's not quite all the way up at the highs up here yet. It would have been nicer if this setup had presented itself all the way up here in the resistance, major resistance area. And it's not a second entry on a higher time frame. That's going to be the first entry. That's going to be the second entry. So technically, you had a second entry in here somewhere on a higher time frame with the stop up here. But here it is a new low, and it is a first entry. And also you had this strong rally right here. So could have gotten some more follow through to the upside, but as I said, big move down, big move up often leads to confusion and sideways trading. So your stop obviously goes above this high right there, or if you're more careful, then above the high of the day, or that high over there at the top of the trading range, just above the trading range up here. Well, that's it. That was the trade of the day. I'm Klaus Andersen, and you guys have a nice weekend.